What's up, YouTube? Coming back with that comparison video. You have your retail on the left, unauthorized on the right. Let's get into the box. Retail, unauthorized. As you can see, the retail box is actually smaller than the unauthorized box. Here's your retail, unauthorized. The Jumpman, if the camera picks that up. Retail's on the top. It is actually brighter, more of an infrared color versus the unauthorized. Same way with the Jumpman on the top. This one is definitely brighter. But as you can see, the height different. Retail, unauthorized. Other than that, everything looks pretty much the same. But enough of the box. Let's get into the shoe. After this, the paper is also a lot more shinier on the retail than the unauthorized. And then the white paper here, this is definitely thicker than that. So here's the shoes. As you know, they both come with the black heel insert. The date on this is actually starts in June. This one starts in May, but I'm not going to pull all that stuff out. They both have the infrared insole. But here's the shoe. Retail, unauthorized. If you can see that 3M. I believe the difference, the reason these pop more than these is the hole size. If you actually take a close look at the retail, at the size of those holes, here's the unauthorized. The unauthorized are smaller. Retail, unauthorized. Another difference. The color of the lace lock. This one is definitely a brighter infrared compared to that. The material is a slight difference. The toe box, these are both size 10.5. The toe box is a little wider. As you can tell, the whole shoe is kind of wider. This looks pretty much the same. That's a little more shinier and smoother on the retail pair, if you can notice that. And you can see the lace lock difference there. As far as the back, I will try to keep the retail on the left. On the spoiler, the infrared is definitely brighter on the retail pair. Camera might not pick it up very well, but it is definitely brighter. The Jumpman is a little thicker on the unauthorized pair compared to the retail. Shape looks pretty good. The material, this is a little darker than that, you can see, and it's also cut further down. Now onto the medial side. Again, you can tell these holes are definitely bigger than those, hence the 3M pops a lot more. But as far as the infrared color, retail is now on the right, unauthorized is on the left. Like I said, these are both at 10.5. The infrared is definitely brighter, slightly, not much. But the 3M definitely pops more, and if you can see, these are both at 10.5. The unauthorized is actually a little bit bigger. If I line these up, we're good there, is actually a little bit bigger. And as far as the bottoms, now the retail is on the left, unauthorized is on the right. As far as the blue sole, there is not hardly any difference whatsoever. So to the man commenting on there about the sole being too blue, I think I'm calling you out on this one, because it is not, as you can tell. Both Jumpmen on the bottom have no neck. They got a little nubby head. But if you can tell, the unauthorized just looks wider in general. I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but it's definitely in hand. There is a difference. Definitely wider. But that's the bottom. Material definitely has a difference to the touch. Unauthorized retail definitely has a difference. Sorry about that, YouTube. Stupid phone. Anybody got a camcorder they want to donate, I'd be more than happy to take it. But yeah, I mean, if you look at the side of the shoe, this is definitely a little bit bluer from the side view. Camera might not pick that up. Let's try it this way. Retail, unauthorized. As you can see, the unauthorized is a little more blue. So yeah, YouTube, I mean, there you have it. Basically, this is what it is. I mean, there is not much of a difference at all in these shoes. I mean, if you sent somebody these, they ain't gonna know unless they have the retail in hand. Period. That's just the sad truth. And I know people's probably doing it, and that's shitty. But one more difference. See that cut right there on the medial side? See how it doesn't touch on the unauthorized, excuse me. See how that cut is closer than that cut? I'm not sure if that's a surefire way to tell, but it is definitely different. So, something to look out for. Ratchet says, watch